Okay, welcome back to the channel. So a quick product test today. We've got a camera that fits onto a glass that's like a security camera, so I've been sent to check that out. So I've chosen a place in the house where it overlooks the garage, so that'll be a nice bit of extra security, keeping an eye on things when we're not here. And that links in then to your phone through an app, and you can keep an eye on things wherever you are. So you've got Wi-Fi, so that's handy. We'll crack on with an unboxing now and fitting, and let us know what you think. There'll be a link in description for discounts and guide you where you can buy it if you so wish to. Okay, let's unbox and see what we got. Some quick start guide, a sticker, everybody loves a sticker, the glare shield. Let's see what's involved with that. Oops, there we go, so that's what's in there. I presume that's going to be, yeah, that's sticky, so that's sticking against the window. And it would appear that would fit. Oh, that's sticky that side as well. That's a bit weird. Okay, I presume that would fit into there. Oh, it actually snaps in with magnets. Okay, that's quite cool. So there's the camera itself. Put that back on there to stop the stickiness getting out of hand. Oh, we've got a reminds me of the old eagle eye. The viewers of about my age will remember the Action Man, which had the eagle eye eyes. A little bit in the back, you could go like that. Curiously, as I'm doing something obviously wrong here, it only appears to go up and down, doesn't go left to right. But maybe the wide angle lens will sort that issue out, if it's an issue at all. All nicely boxed. Wonder what that is. Microphone, perhaps, of some description. So it appears to have a mic jack on it. So look, yes, that plugs into there, which has a microphone symbol on it. So microphone if you wish to record also what's going on outside. In here we have some sticky pads for clips, that's handy. Plenty of length of USB-C power cable. And the usual plug socket. And a little piece of metal for some reason with 2 holes in. I wonder what that's for. Interesting. And what appears to be some silver tape. Okay, so let's have a look, see what the quick start guide has to say about that. Okay, set up system, download and install the ShowMo app and create an account. Okay, so let's see if we can do that then. Oh, right, okay, there it is, WinEye. WinEye manual. There we go, there's a whole manual on here now to say what everything is for. Ah, here we go. Install the mic box with magnetic plate. Oh, okay. That's for that to sit on. if you want it. I don't think I'm going to set up a microphone, if I'm honest. Don't really want to be recording what's going on. I just need to visually see what's going on. Right, I've read the instructions properly. What we should be looking at for is actually the ShowMo app, not WinEye app. So let's see if we can get that. Okay, so after setting up the app and doing email verifications and such like, this is where we're at, ready to add your first device. So I'll get a thing set up now, fix up onto the wall and onto the window and things, and when we turn it on, I guess we'll be ready to add our first device. Okay, so my plan is to fit it behind the blinds there somewhere, which will give me a view, as you can see, of the garage. So we'll crack on with that now and see how we get on. Right, okay, before I actually fit it onto the window, which is I'm going to put over here somewhere so it's out of the way, by the time the blinds we're hard to be able to see that. I think it'd be handy if we could actually see what that's seeing first. So I think I should plug this in and see if we can get it to link up with the camera. We'll of course reroute all this properly so it's not all sticking out in the wind. Oh, got a little red light come on in there. Let's see what happens if we try to connect it to the phone. Okay, let's see where we're at. Add your first device. WinEye, that's the one.
Ready for setup.
Ooh. Okay, plug in. Lead set button for 5 seconds. Indicator should flash blue. Okay, we are flashing blue.
Initializing, please wait.
Oh, found device.
Waiting for Wi-Fi information.
I've got to enter my Wi-Fi password. I'm not going to do that on camera, so bear with. Right, okay, so we've connected to Wi-Fi.
Successfully.
Oh, there we go, added successfully, so that's a good sign. What do we do next? Create name. Okay, let's call it Garage Camera. Okay, what's this mean? Garage camera. Well, that's not. Hopefully we should be able to see this at some point. So will we get to see ourselves is the question. There we go. We are on camera. Okay, so if I put that over there, oh, that's plenty good. Excellent. Okay, so that means if we sit it there somewhere, we're going to be good. We're going to be able to see that on there, but maybe we can get a wide view of that. There we go. So that's going to be our view of the garage, all linked up to the phone. So that's good. So right, let's get that stuck under the window there. So our sticky pad of much stickiness. Let's go with it. Over there. that's now hidden nicely behind where the blinds normally go. Let's check to see what our view looks like. Oh, trying to connect into the camera now. There we go, excellent. Okay, so that's our camera view. So you can get you to see that. So that shows a nice view actually of the garage and the garden, and avoiding next door altogether. So that's good. So we're not imposing on next door's privacy, which of course we don't want to be doing. Excellent. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is route the cable neatly down behind the glass there. Using our little sticky widgets, we can get the cable out the way. It'll stay over there, out of my way. Let's see how many we got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be plenty for down there. So we can run it sort of down like that. I think we need plenty to get this towards the plug nicely. Estimate one in the centre over there. Should do us. I should just be able to like that into there. There we go. That's nice. They clip them down tight. Keep that in order. Lovely. We've got one left, so we could put that there somewhere. And then we can send that towards our plug. So, happy days. So that now is the camera in position and the cable neatly tucked away around the corner there. Excellent. Let's get the blinds back in place. And that's now nicely out of sight for us in the lounge. And from this side, that's fine. That's out of the way. Maybe I could have put it up further up in the corner up there somewhere, but that's going to do just the job for what we want. Now, I didn't find out what this tape was for. I couldn't see anything in the instructions about that, so I might be missing something. Maybe it's also for wrapping up cables and things, who knows. And the little speaker thing, according to the instructions, it's supposed to be a sticker somewhere to be able to stick that to the wall, but I couldn't see that either. So maybe that's what the tape is about, who knows. But I won't be using the microphone anyway, so that's an option there if you guys wanted one. Excellent, well, that's a handy bit of kit. Some footage of that might find its way onto the garage scenes at some point if I'm doing stuff just out by the front of the garage there. The only thing I didn't mention earlier, which is a bit of a shame, is it doesn't come with a SD card. You've got to purchase your own SD card to put in it if you want to record, which no doubt you'd want to with that. So I'll have to get myself an SD card, a little mini SD card to fit in there. But apart from that, it seems to be a good bit of kit. We'll see how we get on with it. Okay, excellent. Thanks for watching. See you again.